Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix a child abuse case with Child Protective Services easy tutorial step by step clearly. If you suspect a child abuse case, the first step is to document your observations. Take detailed notes on what you've seen or heard. Include dates, times, and specific incidents. Next, gather any evidence that supports your claims. This may include photographs, audio recordings, or witness statements. Once you have solid documentation, contact your local Child Protective Services. Find the appropriate number for your area through a quick online search. When you call, be prepared to provide the details you documented. Clearly describe your concerns regarding the child's safety and well-being. Be honest and straightforward in your communication. If possible, identify the child and their caregiver. Child Protective Services will conduct an assessment based on your report. They may contact you for additional information or clarification. It's essential to follow up with them after your initial report. In some cases, you may need to provide your identity, but many services allow anonymous tips. Consider reaching out to local advocacy groups for support. They can provide guidance and resources for navigating the process. Sometimes, involving law enforcement may be necessary. If you believe a child is in immediate danger, call 911 without delay. Throughout the process, remain patient and cooperative with authorities. Stay informed about the case through follow-ups, but respect privacy laws. Encourage the child and their family to seek counseling if appropriate. Monitor the child's situation over time to ensure their safety. Finally, remember that protecting a child is the top priority. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.